I hope you're all doing really well today. For today's video, I'm gonna do a bit of what we eat in a day, especially focused in on my toddler. So tune on in later on in the video to see a couple tips and tricks that I do to get my little girl to eat her meals. Ava's a really good eater and we are lucky. Yeah, she has her picky moments, but for the most part, she eats really well. I try and limit her snacking, and it's hard right now because it was just Easter, so we've had to hide all of her Easter chocolate or else she'll want Easter eggs every single meal. So we're trying to cut back on that, but tune in because she's had a really good day so far. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Angela. I do videos on all things mummy and lifestyle. Hit the like and subscribe button below, and let's jump into the video. So for breakfast, I'm gonna start out, Ava's requesting a smoothie. So I'm gonna make her a peanut butter and banana smoothie with some spinach in there. I'm really trying to get more veggies into her diet, and this smoothie is an awesome way to hide them. So for this, I have some frozen banana, some vanilla Greek yogurt, some cashew milk, spinach, and peanut butter. So here we go, it's so simple. So I just take a quarter banana, pop that in. And I take a pot of this vanilla Greek yogurt. That's just for some extra protein for Ava. I pop in 4 ice cubes. And then a really big handful of spinach. I promise you your kiddos will not be able to taste the spinach. I'm gonna take a tablespoon of peanut butter, and a good tip is use the leaf of the spinach to push the peanut butter off the spoon so that your hands stay clean. And then I'm gonna top that with some cashew milk. And then this is my secret ingredient to make sure that the smoothie tides her over and she doesn't get hungry later. I just have a container here of some Quick Oats. I sprinkle a little Quick Oats on top of her smoothie because I find that the carbs really fill up her tummy a little bit more. So I just sprinkle them in because I've been doing this for so long, but probably a little less than a quarter cup.
Good oil.
Is that good job? All right, easy as that.
That's evil. Cup.
Do you want to come up and press it? Okay, ready? And press. And relax. What color is this? What color is it?
Green.
Green. Now you know you only do this with mommy, right? Right? All right, okay, ready?
See what happens.
Ooh, perfect amount, look at that.
Yeah!
Okay, let's put the lid on.
Oh, wow. I
Wow.
want to make muffins.
Okay, we'll make muffins after, but can you have a taste? Wonder what she thinks. Is it delicious? Is it tasty? Okay, it's toddler approved. Alright, so it's later on, and I don't know about you, but Ava wants to bake constantly, which is not good for my waistline or my butt fitting in my jeans after this is all over. But she's asking for muffins, or what do you call muffins, Ava?
See the
Muffin Man. So I don't really feel like making muffins from scratch. So a lazy mom hack, I just have this great Quaker blueberry muffin mix. It's really good. I really like the bran muffin mix as well. And I added my own raisins, but you know what? In a jiffy,
raisins.
this is good. This is blueberry. Can you say blueberry?
Blueberry.
Blueberry muffins. So come along with us while we bake. do a really simple pick plate. For Ava, I'm gonna do some apple, peanut butter, and crackers and cheese is what she requested. And for me, I'm just gonna do some veggies and hummus and some ham with some dill pickles. So I'm really trying to make a little bit of healthier choices. I think that my snacking in quarantine has gotten away with me, so I need to get back on track and make healthier choices and get my health in check. Here we go. Cucumber. What are your favorite things to snack on and to eat for lunches and dinners and breakfast? You know, sometimes I feel like I always grab the same thing, especially with Ava. Like she likes what she likes, and I know what she likes, but I'm trying to get her to be a little bit more adventurous with her choices. Okay, so for the ham roll-ups, it's easy as just taking ham and a dill pickle, and I just roll it up in the ham, and then I'm probably gonna dip that in some mustard. What are your protein go-tos that you guys feed your kids? Ham on sandwiches for Ava, chicken obviously. She's pretty good with beef as well, but sometimes I find it hard to get like enough protein into her. So I'm gonna cut up this apple for Ava, and I'm gonna share it with her. It's a pretty big apple and she won't eat it all. So I'm gonna use this gadget. I don't know if you guys have one of these. It is a lifesaver. I'll show you how I do it in a minute. All right, so you're gonna take this apple and you're gonna pop this over top and push down hard with both hands. You got your apple slices, and it's a treat. Here's more of a pick plate for Ava. We just had a snack not too long ago, so this should be enough for her. So for lunch, I'm having some ham roll-ups with pickles, leftover apple from Ava, and some carrots and cucumber and radish. I put out mustard for my ham, and I was gonna use the hummus, but the hummus looked a little suspect, so I'm gonna go with ranch. How's your lunch there, Missy Muffet? Is it good? Okay, you keep eating. Ava's not a big fan of raw veggies, and I'm trying to get her to try them, so I just put some on the plate. And sometimes she'll try it, sometimes she won't. She's really good with cooked vegetables, but it's just the raw ones she's not too sure of. All right, I just put Ava down for a nap, so it's snack time and coffee time for this mama. For a snack, I'm gonna have this Western Family Adventure Trail Mix. I'm gonna have about a 1/4 cup. Then I'm also gonna make a latte with my Nespresso. All right, so Ava is napping now. I got my coffee and I have my snack. So I'm gonna utilize this time and catch up on some emails and some planning to try and get ahead. Pasta salad, and then I'm gonna set up a burger bar with all the fixings and trimmings. I'm craving takeout, specifically burgers, but homemade burgers, homemade barbecue burgers are the best. I have a really good recipe. So we're gonna barbecue, we're gonna have a nice pasta salad. Ava's requested some French fries, so homemade takeout. To go along with that Haagen-Dazs ice cream you bought the other day, I'm actually gonna make an amazing caramel sauce from scratch. My cousin's girlfriend just started a blog called Sweet Poppy Bakes, and I have been waiting to try this recipe. It sounds super easy, super simple to do. You just need a few ingredients. So we just need a 1/4 cup of water, a cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of heavy cream and vanilla, and of course, a 1/4 cup of ice cold butter. I'll put the link down in the description below to her blog. You can check out all of her other yummy recipes. Here's our burger bar, all the trimmings, Mickey barbecued, and there's the pasta salad. All right, I'm pretty impressed with this burger. I think that it is going to hit the spot. We got bacon, we got all the trimmings, pasta salad. Ava asked for French fries and a hamburger. She usually just does ketchup on her hamburger, but these are homemade hamburgers. These aren't store-bought, these aren't frozen. Alright guys, Ava and I are going to finish our ice cream, so we're going to leave it here for now. Again, I'll put the link in the description below for this amazing caramel sauce from Sweet Poppy Bakes. Have a good night, guys. Mwah! Say good night.
Night.
Oh, she's so busy eating her ice cream. Yummy. You guys got to try this. See ya.